The 10th Annual Sports Meet 2020 of All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMJU has kicked off today at Manipur Press Club, Imphal. The union also honoured women journalists by presenting simple gifts to mark International Women's Day. At the opening event of the 3-day sports meet, AMJU President Bijoy Kakchingtabam said gender inequality can bring development in a society. Manipur Information and Public Relations Minister T.H. Bishwajit Singh stated that the growing number of women journalists in the state has indicated that there is change. He was participating in the celebration of International Women's Day 2020 at Manipur Press Club, Imphal, organized by AMJU. Leaders across the country and the globe are calling for a gender-equal world as they celebrate achievers in different fields on International Women's Day today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi this morning tweeted greetings on Women's Day and wrote, "We salute the spirits and accomplishments of our Nari Shakti." 34 people from different political parties in Langthabal today joined Lok Jan Shakti Party (LJP). In this connection, a function was held at Lilong Chajing, Mairengkhong resident of Consumers Affairs, Food and Public Distributions Minister Karam Shyam. On the occasion, Shyam expressed hope that LJP would win some more seats in the next state assembly polls. President of Extrajudicial Execution Victim Families Association Manipur EEVFAM, IFAM, and human rights activist Renu Takhelambam from Manipur took part as one of the speakers in the 43rd regular session of UN Human Rights Council held at Geneva. The event, which started from 24th February, will continue till 20th March. She spoke on the issue of promotion and protection of human rights, civil, political, economic, social and cultural rights. Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur Desam today observed International Women's Day 2020 on the theme "I Am Generation Equality, Realizing Women's Rights" at the head office of the Alliance at Kwakaithel in Imphal. The National Capital Region appears to be the hotbed of coronavirus in India, with 19 of the total 34 cases arising from the region. 3 more cases were reported yesterday, which took the total tally to 34. The district administration of Eastern Assam's Sivsagar has urged the denizens not to panic over the outbreak of coronavirus. Meanwhile, the district health department has taken all precautionary measures to prevent entry and spreading of the deadly coronavirus. The Enforcement Directorate (ED) arrested Yes Bank founder Rana Kapoor on late Sunday night under money laundering charges in Mumbai, news agency PTI reported. Kapoor was questioned on Saturday by the agency, which conducted searches at premises associated with the Yes Bank promoter. 6-time world champion MC Mary Kom, 51 kgs, from Manipur is one win away from securing Olympic berth after she advanced to the quarterfinals with victory of the Asian qualifiers in Amman of Jordan yesterday. According to media reports, second-seeded Mary Kom produced a typically clinical performance to dismantle New Zealand's Commonwealth Games bronze winner Tasmin Benny for a 5-0 triumph.